Okay, here's a project of mine that I've been working on, well, in the past 5 minutes. I found this today. It was on our property. It was actually belonged to my great-grandfather, something like that. He built it. And it was sitting in, like, a shit ton of dirt. And I had to dig it out. And I just recently ran it under a garden hose. And looks like a lot of it is not very good shape. However, what is in good shape, well, what I believe is this right here. It sounds like it might have potential. This right here is shot. It did have an air hose connected to it, but it was buried along with the rest of it. This electric motor, it's no good, as you can tell. The belt, no good. I wouldn't reuse it anyway. Well, it's impossible. And I know you're thinking this is a V-twin push mower. Actually no, because I got the motor for this right here. It's actually another project. I got the motor right over here. This motor actually needed a head gasket, which I put on, and I reassembled everything. It just needs just to be put back on. But back to the other thing. This right here, the compressor part of it, I guess, it's mounted onto the frame, the little base here. Let me see if I can tip it up. This is also very heavy, if you're wondering. I don't know if you can tell or not. Yep, no, it's really dark. But they're little flathead bolts. There's 4 of them that go and bolt it down. And I tried to pry them just a few minutes ago. Try to break them loose, and it's impossible. So I might have to drill those out. So yeah. But this is the twin cylinder mower. I mean air compressor project. So my I just wanted to go ahead and show this. I think it's really neat. It's really old. I can't really give an exact date. Maybe once I dig into it more, I can tell you how old it is. I know, like I said, it was my great-grandfather's, and you know, I can't really tell you any more than that because it's old. That's all I know. Yeah, next video I'm going to be taking this thing apart, and maybe then I can get some serial numbers or a date possibly. I mean, just judging by the wheels and all this, I mean, it is rubber, but I don't know. Looks pretty old, I know that. And these are frozen solid. This motor is beyond any help. It's completely gone. Completely. But this, however, I believe this has potential. I put my finger over this opening right here, and it did blow my finger off of it. Of course, I was just spinning it by hand. And yeah. So that's all for this video. Next video I will dig in here, maybe drill these holes out, do something. But yeah, thank you for watching.